नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है वंशिका जारवल। तमिलनाडु के डीएमके सांसद तिरुरुचि शिवा कहते हैं, हमने सही समय पर परिसीमन के खिलाफ आवाज उठाई है। अगर ऐसा किया जाता है तो दक्षिणी राज्यों की सीट कम हो जाएंगी और उत्तरी राज्यों में ज्यादा सीटें होंगी। जब नया संसद भवन बनाया गया था तब भी इसका लक्ष्य लोकसभा में 1000 सदस्यों को रखने का था। उम्मीद है कि परिसीमन के बाद लोकसभा में सदस्यों की संख्या 840 के आसपास पहुंच जाएगी। कोई भी विधेयक या संशोधन लाए जाने पर उसका फैसला बहुमत से होगा। इसलिए जब वह उत्तरी राज्य ऊपर उठाएंगे और हम दक्षिणी राज्य कम हो जाएंगे तो हमारा प्रतिनिधित्व कम हो जाएगा। दोस्तों, आप लोग भी सुनिए क्या कुछ कहती है तिरुरुचि शिवा ने, और कमेंट्स करके बताएं हमें अपने विचार।
The 72nd birthday of the president of the DMK party and the chief minister of Tamil Nadu. It is being celebrated with jubilance across the state, not only by the party cadres but also entire people of Tamil Nadu have joined in this jubilance because his governance, which takes care of the poorest of the poor and also developing industry at the simultaneous time, not affecting one and supporting the other. He is encouraging industries on one side and on the other side taking care of the poor people, the farmers, the students, the girls and the women who are in the rural side. He is taking care of them. And so also the way he is conducting the party is being appreciated by one and all. The alliance which he has constituted and the way he is giving importance to them, treating them with utmost respect, and even in the elections their due share has proved that Tamil Nadu has won in all the seats, 100% in every election that has happened so far. In the ensuing assembly elections also that will be the same result because of the very vibrant leadership of Mr. M.K. Stalin, our great leader. And today is a day of celebration and jubilance, and it is like a festival across Tamil Nadu.
What do you think about delimitation, sir? Because Indian minister...
See, delimitation, we at the right time have raised our voice. If it comes, the southern states will lose seats, northern seats will get increased. Even when the new parliament building was constructed, it was aimed to hold at least 1,000 in Lok Sabha. Because now the meeting, when both the houses sit, we sit only in the Lok Sabha. And after the delimitation, it is expected that around 840 seats will be, it will reach to that level. In that situation, if Tamil Nadu and the other southern states will lose some of the seats, our representation will also be very less there. Parliamentary democracy is only the majority. Whatever the bill, amendment or anything that is brought will be only decided by majority. So when they soar high and we go less, the representation of the southern states, not only the representation of our side, but even genuine issues. If anything is brought contradictory by the union government, we will be helpless. So the chief minister has raised his voice at the right time. If the home minister of union government has told that nothing will happen, will he say that the seats in the northern states will not increase? So there are many things. What is the formula you are going to adopt? How will you see to that no state will be affected and some state will be discriminately benefited? All these things